How to use keyframes for animation in Kdenlive. First of all, open your project and select the clip you want to animate on the timeline. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for the transform effect. After that, drag and drop the effect onto your video clip where you want to apply the animation. Once the effect is added, enable keyframing by clicking the small stopwatch icon next to the property you want to animate. Move the playhead to the starting point of your animation and set the initial value for the property such as position, scale, size, rotation, or orders. Then, move the playhead along the timeline to the point where you want the animation to end and change the property value to create the animation effect. Kdenlive will automatically create a smooth transition between these keyframes. You can add more keyframes to adjust the animation path or effect timing as needed. Preview your animation by playing the timeline and make adjustments until it looks perfect. And that's it. Now you know how to use keyframes for animations in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.